Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Outbound game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit to exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the Outbound game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix to modify game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Outbound game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Outbound game and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -DX11 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again click on Outbound game and then click on properties. And this time in the launch options type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the Outbound game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Outbound game folder, and then look for the Outbound exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4. Run the game from game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Outbound folder. Now first double click the Outbound exe file and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. If not, then right click on Outbound exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Outbound exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then in the compatibility tab also check mark run this program in compatibility mode. From the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7 and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5. Update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version and then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the Outbound game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. Now don't forget to perform this fix. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Outbound game. Again, this is just an example. You have to right click on Outbound game and then click on properties. Then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. You can go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC once again, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Outbound folder and then look for the Outbound exe file and select it, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, expand it and then click on the drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance, and then you can relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Outbound game. Again, this is just an example. So you have to right click on Outbound game and then click on properties. Now in the general tab, you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the Outbound game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10, close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Outbound game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Outbound game not launching or won't launch or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.